Congratulations on clearing
Thank you.
ACCA Diploma in IFRS in first attempt. Correct? You cleared
Yes,
in first
yes,
attempt.
yes.
Superb. And that
Actually,
too,
thanks to,
really,
yeah,
really a good score.
yeah. Thank you.
Nice. Okay, tell me your
Yeah.
exam experience.
Yeah, actually, I remember like in Feb, like it started the your course, I think, but I got to know in March, mid of March, about ACCA Diploma in IFRS. So I remember like searching for Diploma in IFRS, and then through YouTube videos, I got to know about your classes. So I had connected with you and everything. I remember. So I'm a CA. So I remember ski. I was like thinking, ki, should I give the June exam or the December exam? But then you were like, if you have already done with your CA, so you can try for June. And I also remember that almost 20-25 lectures were already completed.
Hmm.
Actually, I was on a career break. So like I had given my resignation letter for the in the of the first job. So I was looking for the next job. So I had like
Hmm.
almost 3 months in my hands before the second job. And so I had started with the this course. I watched regularly, and it even helped me cracking my interview also. So like
Oh,
because
nice.
like in being a CA, like FR was the index section. It was almost 1 year I had but I had no touch with the subject as such.
Okay.
So
All right.
actually, IFRS, like this course actually helped me to get in touch with the IFRS, because it was almost similar in lines with Indes also.
Correct.
So I like some of the questions were much easier in the interview. And yeah, like even the concepts you taught by you, and the PDF sections which were given by you were very helpful. Like I even like told my friends and family that the PDF were like so like summarized and the most easier way, because even being a CA, like you like you have read so much theory, but the only the PDF section, like only 40-45 pages or like 20 pages of PDF were like enough of you getting in the whole concept. So yeah.
Nice. Really happy to hear this. Really happy.
Yes,
Superb. And I'm really so happy to see that you were able to answer some of your interview questions also, correct? Like it's
yes.
it's lovely. It's lovely to know.
Hmm.
Good, good, good. Okay. All right. How was your
Yeah.
exam of like experience? Did you attempt all the paper, or like there were some questions not able to attempt?
Actually, I started with question number two. So actually,
Okay.
I don't remember the concepts right now,
All
like the
right.
which questions were there. So I attempted actually question number two the first, but like when I started, I was like little, pata nahi, I don't know, got anxiety or something like that. But I didn't know that should I attempt this question or should I attempt the next question first, because I was
All
little
right.
doubtful whether what would be the answer. But it took
Okay.
me like almost the question number two almost took me almost 1 hour or something, 1 hour or 5-10 minutes something to do the question number two. So almost like 1 hour 10 minutes were left happened, and
Correct.
I had done only one question number two, and then I was like, shit. Because almost 40-45 minutes, you have to attempt the one question. So I
Each
was
and
like,
every
okay,
question.
question number three, question number four were like more of the theory, and I knew it. So I was like,
Hmm.
my typing speed also became very fast, and I did it. And for the question number one, I had almost 1 hour. So I was like very relaxed for the question number one, and I did it. So yeah.
Okay. What was your like preparation thing? Like, what was your sequence? You studied your video lectures, then?
Yes. So I studied through video lectures almost 2-3 times. I studied through the PDFs, and then I did the BPP exam, the more
Okay.
book.
Mm.
I think went through it almost 2 times. Two
Okay.
times the
Good. So
whole
you
45 questions were there, I think 49 or
correct,
something.
correct,
So
correct.
I went through all the 49 questions 2 times, and then on the third time I did only the important ones. So I
Okay.
marked that this is where the tricky, or if the some parts were tricky in the of the question, I had marked it.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
on the third reading I did only the important questions and the
Info.
the trickiest part of some of the questions, and actually you had also given the important questions by the end, so I also went through that.
Nice, nice. So you revised 2, 3 times the notes, and you revised all the questions also 2, 3 times, correct?
Yes.
This helped you. Okay.
Hmm.
Did you practice on computer-based exam portal?
Yes. I had
Okay.
practiced only one time. I have solved the whole paper, and then actually because of the office and everything, I didn't have the time. So I used to do only one question, like one question I used to solve it, and consolidation questions I always did on the Excel. So
Okay.
so when I was reading also, so I used to do consolidation sums every time, like
Okay.
every time I did
Nice.
on the Excel, and I've prepared one Excel key. These are the questions. Even the 49 questions, I think 10 questions were for consolidation. So I have tried everything on the Excel myself. So
Okay. Super. Super. So you practiced a lot, correct? And you
yes,
cleared it in like 3 months itself. Entire March, April, and May. You prepared for 3 months approximately, and you cleared it,
not
correct?
yeah, but not entire March. I think I started in mid March. So
Even like 2.5 months, kind of.
yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
So it's
Yeah,
really commendable. Superb, dear. Superb.
yeah, thank
Commendable.
you.
Well done. I'm so proud of you. Superb,
Yes.
superb. Any
Hmm.
one tip you feel like giving to other students who are like planning to take up this course?
Actually, I think you should
Yes.
like go through the modules as well, like the main which are given by you. Like PDFs are almost sufficient, very sufficient. I think out of that PDF, I don't think so. The BPP and everything should be covered. But one tip that actually you should try more on the CBE portal, I feel.
More practice on CV
Yeah,
portal.
more practice. Like I did only one question full, like one paper full, but I think more practice on CV portal would help. So
Okay. So there are 6 past exam papers already available, correct?
yeah, yes,
So I do recommend that people should take up this past
yes,
exam papers definitely. Yes.
yes. And
Hmm.
something on that, like I had a practice on the laptop. So maybe like there should be some kind of practice. I think on the computer, the keyboard or something. Because I
Okay.
should like कैसे करना है, but ठीक है हो जाएगा.
हाँ. Okay. Sometimes the computer systems are also little challenging as compared
Yeah.
to your personal device.
Hmm.
When you talk about your personal device, the system devices given by the
Hmm.
okay center is also sometimes tough and rough
Yeah.
and
So
little
the five ten
challenging.
minutes like were like you going used to the laptop
Uh,
thing, but then it was like manageable.
okay, okay. Happy to hear this. I hope people who will pursue later will definitely, I would say, pick up your trick and tip and will try to revise a lot. Thank you so much for joining.